Once again, Bharat Mata ki Vande Vande. Each award presented today carries a story of commitment, discipline, and countless efforts. Let us encourage our young achievers. So, dear parents and students, it's time to encourage and appreciate our students. Let's proceed with the award ceremony of students of grade 4 to 10. Before moving further, I would like to highlight that this year, Teachers' Award have been excluded from the general award categories to ensure broader motivation and fair opportunities for other students. So let's proceed with our award ceremony. For this, first of all, I would like to call respected Lovelace sir to please come on stage and give away the awards. From 4th standard, first position is Navya Darji and second position is Hinal Kotecha. Please give a huge round of applause for all the achievers. तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए, आपका जोश दिखना चाहिए हमें. From grade 5th, at first position, we have Yashvi Verma. And at second position, we have Paridhi Patel. Give a huge round of applause. Thank you so much, Lovelace sir. To give away the award for 5th standard, I would like to call Kishan sir on stage. For grade 6, at first position we have Sarthak Verma, and at second position we have Arohi Bholia. Please give them a huge round of applause. Once again, I would like to announce the winners of 6th standard. First position goes to Sarthak Verma, and at second position we have Arohi Bholia. तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए, audience. We should hear a loud applause from you all. Thank you so much, Kishan sir. Now I would like to call Manjusha ma'am to please come on stage and present the award for 7th standard. From 7th standard, at first position we have Aradhya, and at second position we have Swara Patel. Give a huge round of applause for them. Thank you, Manjusha ma'am. Moving further, for grade 8th, I would like to call Naveen sir. Sir, please come on stage and present the award for 8th standard students. From grade 8, at first position we have Palak Singh Rajput, and at second position we have Himanshi Kotak. Thank you so much, sir. Now I would like to invite Kalpana ma'am on stage to present the award for 9th standard students. At first position from 9th standard, we have Astha Tiwari, and at second position, we have Vanshika Parmar. From grade 10, at first position, we have Arunoday Sengar, and at second position, we have Pal Theshia. Thank you, ma'am. Although we have excluded Teachers' Award from General Award category, but in order to recognize, merit and encourage deserving teachers' awards, special awards have been instituted for them as well. For this, I would like to call respected Principal Sir to please come on stage and honor these students. In special award categories, we have Kapish Singh from 3rd standard, Amaya Bhadoria from 5th standard, Priyanshi from 5th standard, and Gauri Gangude from 9th standard. Now it's time for Best Attendance Award. From grade 1 to 5th, the best attendance award goes to From grade 2 to 5, the best attendance award goes to Ria Dobi, and from grade 6 to 10, we have twin brothers, Aniket and Avinash. Please give a huge round of applause as they were present all days this year. Now it's time to tribute students who have shown not just physical strength, but also discipline, teamwork, and an indomitable spirit. So we are proud to present the Sports Award to Neil Sharma, who has been selected for Indian football team, for international football team. Please welcome him with a huge round of applause. Also, Neil, please be quick. I think you can run. Run fast. The second best achiever for this year is Avichal Mishra, who has won gold medal in 9th Gujarat State Taekwondo Championship 2025 and is selected for nationals. Now, it's time for the House of the Year Award. For outstanding performance in academics, sports, and co-curricular activities, we proudly declare the House of the Year. With passion in their hearts, victory in their strides, the House of the Year is none other than Nandak House. Give a huge round of applause for Nandak House. I would request the in-charge, Priya ma'am, teachers, Pratiksha ma'am, Komal ma'am, Neetu ma'am, along with the House Captain Bhavya Gurnani and Vice Captain Mohit Prajapati to please come on stage. Last but not the least, it's time to honor and appreciate the efforts of our teachers. For this, I would request Jiga ma'am to please come on stage to present the award for the best teachers for this year. So, best performer of the year goes to none other than Meenal ma'am. Please give a huge round of applause for her. Meenal ma'am, I would request you to please come on stage. Now we have one more award for the most enthusiastic performer of the year. It's none other than, give a huge round of applause for Manjusha ma'am. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए हमारे टीचर्स के लिए. Thank you so much, ma'am. May this ceremony motivate all our students to continue their journey towards success, confidence, and lifelong learning. Thank you so much, everyone.